Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to fix Shopee promotion code that could not be redeemed. So, let's begin. First thing that we can do is check if our Shopee app is up to date. So, go to your Play Store, search for Shopee. Make sure that your Shopee app is updated. And after that, restart your Shopee app. If the problem still persists, and if that isn't the case, the next thing we can do is restart our phones. So you need to reboot your phone. And after it opened, go to the details of the apps and clear data. This one. Make sure to clear cache and clear all data. After that, open your Shopee, and if the problem still persists, the last thing we can do is edit our profile. Go to your profile, edit your name, or if your address is too long, make it shorter. And that is how to fix promotion code that cannot be redeemed in Shopee. And that's everything for this video. If it helped, please leave a like and subscribe.